Hi guys, today I'm about to show you 3 amazing websites where you get paid to do nothing. Yes, you heard it right. You just have to enjoy your life while doing these apps. You just have to install these apps on your phone, you need to surf them on the internet and do some basic stuff which doesn't take any effort at all. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. So now let's get started. So these 3 websites are going to be simply amazing for you. You are going to get paid like $200, $500, $700 for doing absolutely nothing. So even if you are surfing on the internet, you can make money. Now there are various ways to make money on these apps. One of them is surfing on the internet. Like that doesn't need you to put any kind of effort. You can shop online and earn extra rewards. You can watch videos and make rewards. You can complete surveys and make rewards. You can play games and make rewards. So that's the best part about these websites, that they don't involve you to do any kind of content writing or video production or voiceovers or any kind of effort. You just have to do what you're usually doing in your day-to-day life. For example, playing games, shopping online, watching videos, searching the internet. Like this is what we do on regular stuff, right? So that's why I would like you to make sure to watch this video till the end so that you can clearly understand the basic concepts behind these websites and how do you make money out of them. So the first website I'm taking you today is instagc.com. So instagc is a very popular website. You can get digital gift cards receipts. You can generate digital gift cards instantly by doing some simple apps. So you can see that this is their website. You earn points for things you already do online. For example, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, searching the web. Like I told you, it's very simple. You don't have to wait for anything. It is delivered digitally. It can be used or online stores, and you can send your gift cards to your friends as well. Now the process of logging in is also very simple. You can log in through your Facebook profile, your Twitter profile, your Google account, or simply your email sign up. So you see there are lots and lots of options for you to sign up. Now if you want to get some income proof, you can click on this income proof button. So you can see that they have lots and lots of rewards here. As you can see that clearly $85.82, $142, $183, then $53, $107, $80, $52, $53, $93. So you see the money people are earning is tremendous. People are earning and making lots and lots of money. You see in May alone they have sent money to over 203 people. In June they have sent money to over 188 people. And now it's July and I want your picture to be there. So if you are really confident that you will be able to make money using this, since you are watching my video, I want you to go to the comment section and type in yes, I'm ready. So this is about the first website. You just need to sign up and go to the various things which you do online and make money. Now the second website I'm about to take you is called as appkarma.io. Yes, it's not .com, it's .io. So you need to go to this app. It looks like this and you'll earn rewards for playing games. Now it is available for both iOS as well as Android users, so there is no excuse for anyone. Now I would also like you to go to the comment section below and type in that you are an iOS user or an Android user, because I will be creating my future videos based on what device you use. So as you can see that this is the simple button which says get app karma, and it will take you to the mobile application of this website from where you can install it. Now you see there are lots and lots of popular games like Coin Master, it's so popular game, Lucktastic, ABC Mouse. There are so many amazing games which you can play on this app and get rewards. You'll also get rewards for referral links. So if you refer someone and they earn 100 points, you get 30% of that. So that's the best part. You'll be paid on recurring basis to just be an affiliate. Now as you can see that they have other games as well which you can use, like Marvel Puzzle, Agent LS, Injustice Gods. So they have amazing games. I don't think so there is anything easier than playing games. Like you can install this app, click on play game, and then hand this phone to your little brother or sister that hey bro, come here and enjoy this game. So they will be doing the gameplay and you'll be making money out of that. So that's the best part. Now The third website and my favorite one I'm about to introduce you is called as cashkick.com. So cashkick.com is also very amazing. The best part is that you get paid directly to your PayPal. That means no points, no rewards. You get paid directly into your PayPal ID. Now I think you already have a PayPal account. If you don't have, then you can just create one by going to paypal.com, because PayPal is the world's biggest payment gateway out there, which pays people when it comes to international transactions. So you can come to this website and you can enter your email as well as password to create your free account. Now they also pay you money to watch videos, to surf the internet, to find great deals on internet, and to answer simple surveys. So you see, it's very easy. You just have to first find a good mission and complete it. Then you will see that your earnings in your account are growing, and then cash out early and easily. You don't have to wait for any kind of points to convert into cash and then you'll withdraw them. That point is not available here. You just have to directly earn rewards and then cash out. Now the threshold amount is $5. That's low. That's very low. Like I've seen websites first asking users to make $100 and then cash out. But here the risk involved is so less that even after just making $5 you can withdraw your money. So that means you'll be get paid faster and very faster. Now the process is very simple. Companies are eager to get their deals in front of consumers like you. So they come to cashkick.com and submit their offers, and then there are people like us who make money out of them by surfing those offers. Now here you can see reviews from some people who have already been using Cashkick. You can see that how positive the reviews are. They are just happy that they have made so much of money using cashkick.com, and I want your review to be available here as well, because I'm really confident that since I have taught you how to make money using these apps, your review will also be here. And share this video with your friends and family, because when you share, more people hear about these websites, the better offers these people bring out, and then the better rewards you and I and many others like us earn. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.